As we age, we don't have to put up with the worsening of our vision. While it is normal to experience some age-related changes to our eyesight, like perhaps needing reading glasses, there are some key antioxidants we can take to protect our eyesight. And that's where iGenix comes in. iGenix is a formula packed full of antioxidants like zeaxanthin, lutein, bilberry, and saffron that have an affinity for our eyes and can quench oxidative stress. UV light and macular degeneration are two of the most common reasons for seeing a change in our eyesight, and antioxidants may be able to help prevent that. Plus, this product is packed full of essential vitamins like vitamin A, C, and E that are important for protecting our vision. I'm a naturopathic doctor that works with men and women who are getting older and want to protect their vision. iGenix is one of my go-to supplements to recommend, not only for the killer formula, but also for the fact that the potency of the product is one of the highest I've seen on the market. All the ingredients are put in at a therapeutic dose, meaning there's enough of each of them to actually see a positive change in your eyesight. iGenix is certainly one that I don't hesitate to recommend to friends, family, or patients.